Square One Kitchen. Merry early Christmas, everyone. And if you don't celebrate Christmas, merry to that too. Today we are doing a Christmas mince pie. For this, personally, I think this is one of my favorite videos we've done yet. The mince pies come out so well, they're so delicious, and it's a family recipe that we are now sharing with you. If you like satisfying things, get ready. If you're one of those people who like having parties around this time of year, for whatever reason, maybe it's a birthday party, maybe it's Christmas, maybe it's Hanukkah, maybe you just like having parties. This is a great little snack to have out because they're small and you can eat them in 3 bites exactly. Now for the pastry. Pastry is a tricky little thing. I'm just going to say that if you mess up pastry, and it's your first time, there's nothing to be ashamed about. If you mess up pastry and it's your 100th time, maybe there should be a little bit of shame. But no shame here, no blame. But if you're an expert, a little bit of blame because we look up to you. This is a very nice time when it comes away from the side. Leave for 2 hours. Now when we're putting it all together and we're rolling it out, my grandma always said you want it as thin as possible. Now with your extra dough, put it in the fridge with saran wrap because you'll need it for later. This is about a teaspoon worth of filling. The filling is the best part. Take that away and bring back your old dough. Roll it out to as thin as possible again. Cut it out. Now you want to press it together like this so it doesn't come apart. Poke holes in it to let out steam and then hit these babies in the oven. Bon appetit! Like and subscribe. Thank you!